Hi friends, welcome to this free market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So, let's check yesterday's analysis as we normally do. This is what we had analyzed yesterday. And let's go to a Nifty daily chart. This is Nifty on a daily time frame, as you can see. The analysis was that this is a fair value gap. If I take you zoom out of it, this is a red fair value gap. That's the sell side liquidity, and this line is also a sell side liquidity zone. So it was supposed to trade below these levels, and if it ever went above it, it was supposed to be sold off. That's exactly what happened. You can see this two similar candles being formed, showing that there's a lot of sell side liquidity on the top side that's provided by this black bottom candle and this red candle again. So that's that. Let's start today's analysis. So for the newcomers, what we do here is we analyze Nifty from the monthly all the way down to the hourly time frame. This is Nifty on a monthly time frame. Now, what is the bias on Nifty? There is no bias on Nifty right now because for a bullish bias, there have to be higher lows created. For a bearish bias, there have to be lower highs created. Nothing of that is created in this area, as you can see. Therefore, it's not sure, but there are important levels to watch out for. This is what the sellers are, and this is where the buyers are going over to the weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, it is bearish. It is a swing high, the low swing high, and a lower swing high. So Nifty continuously with lower highs, and therefore it is bearish. And there is a buy side liquidity zone here. There is a bullish fair value gap. This fair value gap is holding up Nifty for the last 4 weeks, and this is the fifth week that Nifty is being held together by this fair value gap. Let's see how far it can take. Going over to the daily time frame, on daily time frame, Nifty is bearish. There is the swing high and then there's a low swing high. The Nifty is bearish. Now there is the sell side liquidity here. Sell side liquidity. Oops. Yes. There is sell side liquidity here. There's a parallel here. And if Nifty ever decides to go higher, this is where we can take a stop, take a pause, or get stopped. So this is zone to look out for. And if we see Nifty has to go all the way down, then 20 to 750 has got another level to perform. These three candles are an auto block. These red candles are an auto block at the point of the mid rise point of the bodies of these candles is what I've taken. This is from where the big movement happened. This is an auto block. And that's that. So the bias is bearish, as I said, going 4 hour time frame. The low highs have been formed, it's bearish, and on an hourly time frame, again, low highs have been formed low high and low high level three forms, therefore it is better. So then let's look what we're going to tomorrow. It looks like Trump has just announced a few things and that will the market. But once again, there are bigger macro cues in the Indian market that could also play out after the open. So the open is going may not be very significant today. Let's see. Once again, I'm not certified analyst. I do it